DoubleTake Auto Supply in Fremont. Do you guys see this incredible shine on this brand new BMW M3 competition? Fire orange in the house, you guys. Our paint protection film definitely amplified the shine, but not only did it give it an amazing shine, the best protection available on the market. So he already started noticing some tiny rock chips, so he wasn't taking any chances again with this beautiful color. So he decided to go with our big boss 10-year paint protection film on the entire vehicle, as well as our ceramic heat reduction window tint. Check that out, you guys. He's not going to have to worry about swirl marks, fine line, tree sap, scratches, bird poop, you name it. Our paint protection film is going to absorb all the abuse so that this beautiful paint doesn't have to. Our paint protection film is the only form of protection that's going to keep your vehicle paint looking incredible and for 10 years, you guys. Now, it's actual clear film that we placed on top of this vehicle, but if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. Check that out, because we wrap all those edges. The BMW dealership told him about us, so he brought this baby to us, and he's super happy that he did. Check that out. So now he can drive fearlessly knowing that his BMW is protected. And for 10 years, you guys. Again, check out this amazing shine. This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Supply in Fremont. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.